If you want to see how to achieve this, and many more, stay tuned. What's up my style babies, it's your StarGirl here and I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways to style a turban. So first off, you're going to be needing a scarf obviously, and you're going to be folding it into two, making one end smaller than the other or one half smaller than the other. And right now I'm going to be placing the scarf right behind my edges because I want my edges to show. Then I'm going to be going ahead to make a tie. To secure my scarf in my hair. I'm going to make it tight, try to adjust it. This is how the side looks. Now I'm going to take one end and twist it round. Then I'm going to take the other end and wrap around there, then tuck it in. This is how it's looking with my edges and everything. So for the second style, you should have a scarf tied already on your hair behind your edges. And you're gonna fold your scarf into two halves again, one half smaller than the other. And this time we're gonna be tying from the back, making sure the two ends are equal. Trying to adjust everything so it doesn't cover up the edges. Then I'm gonna cross each end over each other and take the first parts and wrap around my hair. Then use the other part to cover it up and wrap it the other way too. You can take a scarf and follow me as I tie mine, so it'll be easy. So this is how it looks. So for style 3, we're gonna be using 3 scarves, actually 4 plus 1 on my hair right now. So I'm taking the first, I'm gonna be folding it into 2 halves again, one end bigger than the other, and I'm going to be making the 2 ends equal. And twisting it to make a donut. Twist, twist, twist till you get that donut. And tuck in. Then you take your second scarf and tie from the back too, placing it proper so it doesn't cover up your edges. Pushing in the other scarf already tied and making a tight tie. So this is the 4th scarf and the final. Make sure you cover your previous scarf, make sure it doesn't show. and twist it and take it to the side and wrap it around. Then the end you tuck it in to, you can see, I don't know what to call that. You tuck it in there and arrange it, and that's all for starting. We're also gonna take time from the back. This time I'm gonna be making a tight tie or a tight knot at the front. Make it tight. Well, I say intertwine now, then you twist it and wrap it round. Take the first one, put underneath, take the second one above it, and take it round to the other side. The difference between this and style 2, if I'm not mistaken, is the tie or the knot at the front, giving it a different look. Finally, style 5. Fold into 2 halves again, tie from the back, making a knot. Make sure it's tight. If you all notice in style 4 and 5, my scarf is covering my ears. Then you twist one end and wrap it around the other one. As you all can see, it's self-explanatory. Then you take the other end and wrap over it. Still struggling? Make sure your first twist is tight and secure. As you can see, I'm still struggling because my first twist wasn't tight. So I'm done. If you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!